See, for here, this is my sieving machine. Where they use sieve garri. They pull out the motor. They pull out the motor. Pull out the motor. Then let me see show. This one, they pull out the motor. As you know, do them carry because this thing is very, very heavy. You get machine. See that machine where they here. You get machine where they here. See, see, it's fresh. They dismantle this machine where they here. Carry them. This is a little. Let me show now. Young wicked where this people. I don't want to video him because police say make I no video him. I don't want to video him. Police say make I no video him. So for that is I will not video him yet. Let him calm down. Like I say, you see this particular case, I am ready to put in my life for it. Enough of this tribal bullying. If they don't want Igbo, then let them not sell land for Igbo. If I be Igbo, then let them not sell land to Igbo. Period. Enough of this tribal bullying. This is my pumping machine area. These boys them enter my pumping machine area. See as they scatter the pipe of the pumping machine. See the pumping machine. Then dig the pumping machine. Carry the pumping machine where they inside them. They carry the pumping machine where they inside them. Carry the pumping machine. If they don't want Igbo, then let them stop selling land to Igbo. Enough of this tribal bully. See as they scatter all the pipes where they under them. Then my big gen where they use run my farm. My big gen where they use run my farm where they here. These boys then carry big gen where they use run my farm. Where they use run my farm. This is 6 times they are coming to steal from me. 6 times. No be 1, no be 2. This thing is 6. I'm ready to put in my life for this particular case. See as they scatter the pipe, as they find the pumping machine. Land will not be buy for me. I'm not owing to the dime. Enter my poultry house. Enter inside poultry. Guys, I'm making this video to create awareness. I'm no longer keeping quiet. I'm going to talk from now. I'm not going to keep quiet again. They robbed me yesterday. A day that break yesterday, they robbed me. They pack a lot of machines from my farm. Yesterday, no be the first time, no be the second time. And each time they do me this thing, the case, they go rubbish the case because I be Omo Igbo. They will say Omo Igbo lele. People that are supposed to talk will not talk. They will keep quiet because I be Omo Igbo. I'm always bullied because I be Omo Igbo. 70% of my workers are from this place. I'm not trying to say any tribe is bad, but I'm trying to condemn what they are doing to me, and I'm not going to keep quiet. I'm going to publicize this particular one. Today we are going for arrest because they catch one of them. Other one run, so they catch one. So that one is still in police custody. You see this one? Any of them where I'm ready to put in my life, I will put in my life for this particular one. This will put me debt. So this will put me last year. I never even paid the debt finish. A lot of machines where these people carry from my farm, I never even get money to replace them. Is it my palm oil processing machine? So we are going for every single thing. I'll go post everything. I'll bring it to the social media. I am tired of being bullied. I'm just a young girl struggling to make money for myself. I'm just a young girl working hard to make life for myself. This will keep doing me this back to back, and each time the case will be rubbish, but not this time. I'm good because I be Omo Igbo. I am tired of being that Omo Igbo where we say they suck from me. A lot of them are working for me. I know how many of them I'm paying at my age. At my age, I know how many workers that under me that I'm paying. I know they owe anybody. Any workers I am paying. Even sometimes, waiting they work no go reach. If you know me very well, those are the person will say, they just like to put smile on people's face. They just like to help, no matter how small. I want to help. That's the kind of person I am. I'm one person that I love to work hard. Anybody that knows me one-on-one will tell you this firsthand, that this girl is a hard-working person. But these people keep coming to my farm back to back. And each time I bring up the case, they will rubbish the case because I be Omo Igbo. So that means they are doing me this thing because I be Omo Igbo. I refuse to be bullied. Because I am not owing anything. The land belongs to me. Every single thing belongs to me. It's not on rent. I paid in full. Even when they buy the land, then they charge me reach 3 where they on top land. And they pay with trees where they on land. And they pay with trees. Even when I don't need those trees, they will charge me. I don't talk. They have prices. They it's something they be say normal. They're supposed to sell it like 15 naira, but because you know be indigene, they will charge you more. I don't have a problem. I will still pay, and these people still come back. I have land where I buy for here. People are still planting on the land despite I've paid every single thing, and nobody say I don't report because I be Omoibo. But when they are collecting Omoibo money, they will collect it. When they're eating Omoibo money, they will eat Omoibo money. How many young girls out there will be hustling the way I hustle for these people to keep coming back to steal from me? I am not going to keep quiet on this particular one. I am going to bring everything to social media. I'm going to put in my life. Enough is enough, because I have so many people from here that are living in my own area. Nobody is stopping them. I am not owing anybody. Plenty of my workers are from here. I make sure I feed everybody. I make them happy. I know how many of them where they pay their children school fees. I know how many of them, because I don't say they are using intentional acts. They are intentionally doing this back to back. You see this particular one, I am ready to put in my life. I will show everybody face involved. Anybody that try to come in between this case, me, I'm not keeping quiet again. I don't care if I don't see anybody, Papa. If I don't see anybody involved in this stealing, if I see your papa, I will arrest your father. If I see your mother, I will arrest your mother. If I see your picking of 1 month where they just born today, I will arrest that picking. I don't care. I'm going to be very heartless right now, because this is the only way I can protect myself and protect my business. Because I know still the land. This land belongs to me. Every single thing belongs to me. Every single thing. They are not on rent. I paid full for every single thing. And these people keep coming back to back. So they are going to arrest today. And I am going to video every single thing. I'll be posting them. Each and every one of them. Enough of this bullying. I am not going to sit down and keep quiet again. Never. So guys, I'm making this video after 5. This is after 5. No reasonable arrest has been made. No reasonable interrogation. Imagine where you hold person, wait if person. Then no reasonable interrogation, no nothing. It's obvious that this is pure tribal bullying. It has been happening over and over and over again. Over and over and over again. This is a call for help, because I'm not going to keep quiet on this particular one. Waiting this people pack. The one where they pack last year, I never even buy some of the machines them. I'm just trying to get myself back again this year. People that are supposed to handle the case telling us that they are very busy, that we should handle our case, because they don't say at the end of the whole thing I will let go. But I'm not letting go of this one, because it's pure tribal bullying. Everybody is trying to remove themselves, because it's between Igbo. It's Igbo, Igbo. So everybody is trying to not talk. It's Omoibo. I remember when the last one happened, it was only one person, it was only one allergy that stood up for me. Only one allergy. He said, Koda. So this woman is buying all her materials from this place. These people stopped me from selling in the market. If I carry my product to the market, they will stop me from selling, because I be Igbo. I buy most of my materials in this place. They stop me from selling. I don't know my reason. I used to pay everything. I do not still complain. I said, for peace sake, I stopped. I started going to other villages to sell. I stopped selling. Each time they keep doing this back to back. This is me calling for help. Please, if you know anybody, because I'm not keeping quiet again. Because the more I keep quiet, the more they keep doing this. The more they keep doing this. People that are supposed to talk are not saying anything. Everybody just trying to keep quiet because I'm Omoibo. But majority of my workers are from this place. They are sucking Omoibo money. They are eating Omoibo money. But when it's time for them to do the right thing, everybody will back off. Everybody will back off. Nobody will say anything. I know how many of them is working in that farm. I know how many of them. My raw materials, I buy them here. I don't sell my markets here. I be more, but when they want to sell land, I have acres of land here. I have acres. I'm not saying employ. I have acres of land where I plant cassava. I get land where I buy. I've not used that land. Somebody still planting on that land. I have complained. But when I want to buy property, they will sell it for me. They will sell property for me. Then when something happens, they will remember I'm Igbo. Up to now, police has not made any reasonable arrest. No reasonable arrest. No reasonable arrest has been made. Even to person where thief, where it's obvious that you are not looking for any evidence. It's obvious. They are still telling us, they don't go do because I'm Igbo. I didn't mean say this case is between me and Igbo. If you see how they don't rush handle this case. I didn't mean say it's between them and them. They don't rush handle this case. But just because it's between Igbo, that is the reason why they are trying to rubbish everything. But I'm not letting go. This is me calling for help. It's not a matter of where you are from right now. This is an injustice to a young woman. It's an injustice to a young woman.